Today we are looking at Teriyaki Chicken Burger. This is one recipe that you might have actually had. These are sold everywhere in Japan, even in our McDonald's. But we are going to make it even better with a real teriyaki sauce, not from a bottle. Now my eyebrows are nice and wiggly. Let's dive in. Start off by slicing up a tomato. You want to make your slices thinner than this, then pop them aside. Grab a couple of lettuce leaves and place aside because it's meat time. Chicken side time to be specific. Cut off any excess skin and put little slices into the thicker parts, making it easier to cook through. Sprinkle with starch, salt and pepper. Don't forget the second side. Now we are done with that prep. Heat up some oil in a pan. Place your chicken sides, skin down. Mop up any excess oil to get the crispy skin. Continue to mop and check on the skin. Nice and crispy, flippity flip. Now we steam in sake to mellow out everything. Pop your lid on to steam fry. To check that it's cooked, shove a chopstick through. And in dash stock, soy sauce and tilt on the side, bubble and baste. Why tilt? Because easy and looks cool. Give it a flippy flip. Continue to baste and flip until almost done. Now it's almost ready. We're going to put in sugar. Because sugar goodness and texture. Mix the mix into combine. Pop on high heat and let the sugar dissolve. Bring the shine out and get everything soaked. Again tilt it out. Continue to flip until the sauce goes sticky. Don't worry about the bubbly bits. That's what you want. Toss off your buns for crunch. Steamy buns. Forget that these buns have tartar sauce on them. Looks bad, but it's not bad. Now to stack up. First chicken, tomatoes, lettuce. Try to fold the lettuce like a plate. Oh, get on. Come on. Fine, don't stay. Cut it up. Finally, mayonnaise. Mayonnaise poop ready. Show off your work for the internet. Looks good, smells better. Feast your eyes. Because this is a burger, I went for a cola sour. 1.5 Maccas with Japanese whiskey cola. Now I think it's time for a bite. Itadakimasu. Oishii. Juicy chicken with the sweet sticky sauce. Goes amazingly with this soft band bread. I try store-bought teriyaki sauce beforehand. Really doesn't hold a candle to the real stuff. Hope you have a go. I think I can enjoy this off camera. Till next time.